Hi, I'm Gabriella Bavone, and today I'm gonna show you how to make this picture frame out of fabric and cardboard. Thank you.
I'm using a pizza box because it was so obvious. It had the square already cut, and that makes life so much easier. So now I'm squaring to get the right distance. At first I tried 3 centimeters, but it was too thin, so I went to 4, and it's more in proportion, it's better. Now I'm cutting back on frame, and it looks like I need a new blade. So here I'm creating a mitre for later to reinforce the frame from the inside. And using an old leaflet, I'm making the inner frame. Same principle, I need to square the paper, and the distance looks like it good. Excuse my head. Yes, my hair is gonna be in the way quite a bit. And here we go. I used to have a workshop and we used to sew a lot, me and my friend Jeanette. And we collected scraps of fabric for years. And some of this is Jeanette's fabric. And lots of batik, organic cotton. See what fits, what suits better. A frame on something colorful and nice. And here we go. Nice autumny colors, batik. Happy colors. So I'm gonna cover the frame with them. But if I use only in cotton, then it's gonna be quite flat. So I'm using an old shrunken jumper just to give it a bit of depth and softness. Now gluing the sides. 2 sides I'm gonna just glue them, using straight fabric. And I'm using glue because I don't agree with hot gums, but still hot glue. But if you have one and you prefer it, off you go. Obviously. Oh, my hair. So that's it. There's 2 sides done. And on the other 2 sides instead, I'm gonna create the illusion of a mitre, just folding it. And that works. then tuck in corners. Yeah, all that while this was drying, and now it's dry enough to mount. This is an old leaflet from the workshop, which was in white cross and now it's no more. Good days. This is a piece of acetate from an old presentation pack. And stick that on. And this is what I cut earlier, which is to reinforce the whole thing. And obviously if you got a bigger box, you cut it all together, but I just wanted to use that one box. So I had to do this bit in bits and make it mitre. It works. Let's make a space to make it easier to put photograph in. And I'm using another leaflet just to give it a plain background. Don't want bits of ingredients to show in case your photo moves. That's a list of workshops that we used to do. And here we are. Ben the dog. Hello Ben. What beauty. So, this is it. One of a kind.
So, if you liked what you've seen, please like, subscribe, comment, share. Come back. See you soon. Bye.